In this video, we will discuss adding contours to a surface. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file Adding Contours to a Surface.dwg, located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. Civil 3D has the ability to use contour data to create a surface. Contour data can come from a variety of sources, for instance USGS, Aerial, etc. Let's say for our example here, we have a bathymetric survey that we got back from the surveyors, and it's contour data. The first thing we're going to do is isolate the layer isolate command, pick one of the objects, press enter, and now we have that layer isolated. We're going to create a separate surface. We'll eventually use the paste command to paste them together in a future video. We'll go ahead and right-click on surfaces and choose Create Surface. We'll call this one Surveyed Lake. We'll go with the defaults for style and render material, and we'll click OK. So make sure you expand the Surveyed Lake surface, and in the definition category, we have contours. Let's go ahead and right-click on there and choose Add. Let's go ahead and give this a name. We'll call this one Bathymetric Survey. Weeding will reduce the number of points that will be generated along a contour, as contour data sometimes contains more vertices than is necessary. The supplementing factor section will add vertices along contours if they don't have enough. Note, the weeding factor distance must be less than the supplementing factor's distance. This area here allows you to eliminate triangles where 3 points are at the same elevation and the edges that connect the points on different data contours are at that same elevation as well. This will reduce the number of flat areas and create a more realistic surface. We'll go ahead and click OK. And now we'll go ahead and select our contours. However, there is a boundary here that we do not want. Using standard AutoCAD functionality, hold the Shift key down and click on that object, and it becomes unselected. Right-click or enter, and now we have our data inside that surface. Now it looks like nothing's there, but let's go ahead and unisolate our layers, turn all our layers on, and there is our surface. Notice how it matches the contours almost exactly, which is really, really nice. These polylines are truly dynamic, so if we go ahead and right-click on our surface and choose Rebuild Automatic, and we go ahead and select one of our polylines, and we move it, you will notice that the contours update automatically.